Kekenhuan Menteri Kebalik Kenduk Hakasin Thok Ding Jong Ketayau Kelasya Mekarai Bandra Eka Kaiphod Jong Expert Committee halor ke Reservation Policy haka Dorbar Mang Tyngka Kaban sedang haka Khan Rutarik Benai Rempang. Bat kala Mynjur Eka Meghalaya Border Areas Development Service Amendment Rules Arhajar Arpun Rio. Habai keren bikinong patay kubor hadian belawai ke jingelang Jong Kekenhuan Menteri. Menteri rangba ke jelau konrad kongkal sang mau melihat bagi sarkar jela ke Mynjur bandra ke Kaiphod jang expert committee halor ke bahak thungkam lane ke reservation policy haka Dorbar Mang Tyngka ke ban sedang nado ka khandra tarik hado ka arpunyo tarik urempang. Melihat bagi Kekenhuan Menteri kalarai ban pak ke jeng terwa syunglat ke jela ban Mynjur ban penlong no ke Dorbar Mang Tyngka nado ka khandra tarik hado ka arpunyo tarik urempang arhajar arpun reu. Batang syuyo ek jeng Mynjur ban penlong ya ke Dorbar kum taken sera ek ka Kaiphod ban yatai hapo ke yang Dorbar.
Everything is an expenditure, but if you ask me, this is an investment. So therefore, you can look at it from any other point of view. I've seen that criticism is always there. I think it's important for us to see the larger goal and larger perspective. The fact, as I said today, that sitting here, all departments will talk to each other and understand what's happening, the larger goal and perspective, I think is really the main outcome. Let me share with you one very, very important outcome, and then you can be the judge to tell me whether this is a waste or this is actually productive. So in the first cabinet retreat we had in Sora, the education department gave us a long presentation on ad hoc schools and ad hoc teachers and SSA teachers, including the fact that we're spending close to about 1100 crores on grant in aid, including the fact that government of Meghalaya is one of the few states in the country that supports private schools. In fact, we have about 4,000 private institutes who we support, whereas any other state in the Northeast, the numbers are either zero or even less than 50. So we are really supporting private schools. But yet, the problems are there in terms of the large number of schools we have, the teacher-student ratios being very, very skewed. So this presentation was given to us in the cabinet retreat when we sat there. And we sat there and looked at those numbers. Every single cabinet minister, every single officer is looking at this saying that this is amazing. I mean, how can we be functioning like this? And we took a decision at that moment. We said, we are going to resolve this in this year 2025. We have to take this decision. And we took that decision, and that's what drove us to decide before Christmas that before this calendar year ends, I want the solution. I pushed the education minister, pushed the commission secretary. They met these SSA teachers, ad hoc teachers multiple times. And we said, we're working on a deadline out here. We need to get this done. CM has given us a direction. The cabinet has given us a direction. The cabinet retreat has decided. And we're so happy to tell you that we have reached to that conclusion.